10 seconds. 10 seconds is all you get for a recruiter to look through your CV or resume. I mean, you don't expect them to read the whole document, do you? They've probably got 30 plus applications to go through. The big question is, how do you sell yourself in only 10 seconds? With such a tight window to work in, the layout of your CV is the first thing a recruiter sees. They see that well before the content in the CV. So, the layout is the first thing you can change to make a good first impression on the recruiter. This can be done in a few ways. The headings of sections, colour scheme, keywords, weirdly the contact details, and something unique but stands out. Hi, I'm Aaron, and let's talk careers. Your CV or resume needs to stand out from what we like to call the dreaded pile. That pile of applications for the job. So, how do you make yours stand out from the crowd? If you need additional help and support, Let's Talk Careers can offer independent feedback on your CV. All CV related purchases come with templates to help your CV stand out in your 10-second window. If a recruiter is looking for something specific, it is so important that they can find it quickly and easily. This is where clear section headings come in. Don't use any fancy names for them, it can just be confusing. Tell the recruiter where the education section is by just underlining the word education. Tell them where the achievement section is by headlining it accordingly. And do me a favour and delete at the bottom of your CV references available on request, because it's just a waste of space. Black and white is boring. Why not spice up your CV by adding a splash of colour to it? Now, don't get me wrong, it still needs to be professional, so don't use all the colours of the rainbow. However, adding shades of a single colour can really enhance the CV and the way it stands out. Imagine for a second a side-by-side comparison of one document with black text on a white background and another with a column down the side which has a dark grey background with white text on it. The first one reads like a book, really boring and dull. The second one, though, makes certain parts of it stand out from the rest of the document. And trust me on this one, the recruiter will not read it like a book. They are looking for certain words in your CV or resume. So, why not use colour to make it easy for them to find this information? Honestly, you don't want to miss out on an opportunity just because you didn't add a splash of colour to your document and the recruiter couldn't find any information on it. Add a touch of colour to make your CV stand out in that dreaded pile. So, now we know how to make the keywords stand out. Next we need to know what keywords we need to make stand out. So, how do we find out what keywords to use? This is where the job description comes in. Now, I would highly recommend you change your CV or resume for every job you go for. Now, I don't mean a full workup of the entire document, but change up the keywords that you use and have highlighted. This is where you can use the job description to your advantage. Take a look in the job description at the words they use for the person they're looking for and the job itself. Use those words. If you have them skills, make sure you say you've got them skills. No one wants to know your entire life story. Trust me, it's probably really boring. So, tell them the parts that they are looking for. Tell them what they are interested in. Don't be so proud that you can't ask for help and support. You should always ask someone else to give independent feedback on your CV or resume. This is where today's video sponsor comes in. Let's Talk Careers. That's right, we're sponsoring ourselves. For only £25, you can get specialist tailored feedback on your CV or resume. You send through your CV and resume, and a job description for a job you're applying for, and one of our specialist career guides will give you tailored feedback on how to adapt your document for the job you're going for. Don't have a CV yet? Let one of our career guides write it for you. Check out the Book Here section of letstalkcareers.co.uk today. Your contact details are probably the most boring section of the entire document. I mean, it's only ways for them to get in touch with you, right? Your address, your email, your phone number. But why stop there? Why not put your professional looking social media profiles in this section? Don't have one? Then go and create a LinkedIn account. It takes like 15 minutes. This will give the recruiter more information on you if they wish to pursue it. You can customize these profiles as you wish. Share industry specific content on Twitter or professional looking photos on Instagram. If it's there, use it. Another thing that I like to see on a CV or resume is when a candidate has got their own section on a website. It shows they're really passionate about their career and they can customize this as they wish. Putting even one of these things into your contact details stops it from being a really boring section. It also gives the recruiter more information on you if they wish to go and have a look. And did you know, if you click that thumbs up button, it turns blue. Try it out. This last section, I can't tell you what to do. I can only give you ideas. It's about putting something unique on your CV or resume that the recruiter has never seen before. This could either be in the content of the CV or the layout of the CV. Is it the style of writing that you use, or is it something that catches the recruiter's eye? This little something is for you to decide on what it is. One that I like to recommend is putting a QR code on the document. There's something about a QR code that when you see it, you just want to scan it. It's like an urge. Just don't rickroll anyone, keep it professional. It may be something as simple as, if you've got a degree, put the letters at the end of your name. It's something simple that catches the reader's eye and instantly tells them that you've got the degree without telling them. Whatever it is, make it personal to you. Make it something unique that the reader has never seen before. Just keep it professional. So I've told you loads of ways to make your CV or resume stand out from the crowd. The thing is as well, you don't only have to use one of these, you can actually use all of them. I do hope that this video helps you to get to the next stage in your job application. I've been Aaron for Let's Talk Careers. See you next time.